How to change Waze voice. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your Waze app's voice. Now, if you are getting bored and or annoyed of listening the same voice of your Waze app, you can change it to your liking. If you are looking for a bit of change and variety, you will find it in the Waze app itself. So let us get started. First thing you will need to do is open up your Waze app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, tap on the three lines on the top left. Now head over to settings. After you're on settings, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to voice and sound. But before we move on with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. Head over to voice and sound. And after you head over to voice and sound, on the top you will find Waze voice. Tap on that and you will see a lot of different options. Now you will see different options such as your celebrities, even your zodiac signs, zombie voice, pop 90s pop star, 70s DJ. You can scroll down and you'll also see Jonas Brothers, dad jokes, aliens, and many more. You will see a lot of options. You can even find different languages here. You will see right here. So you will get a lot of options here. You can explore. You can simply tap on one to choose one and it will just change it. And that is basically how you can change Waze voice, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.